Best place to install AC in a room. Dear friends, choosing the right place to install your air conditioner is just as important as selecting the right AC model. A proper installation location helps improve cooling performance, saves electricity, and increases the life of the unit. The indoor unit should be installed on a strong wall at a height of around 7 to 8 feet from the floor. This allows cool air to spread evenly throughout the room and provides better comfort. Avoid installing the AC directly above beds, sofas, or workstations. Continuous cold air blowing directly on people can cause discomfort, headaches, or health issues over time. Make sure the indoor unit is not placed near heat-generating appliances such as televisions, refrigerators, ovens, or direct sunlight. Extra heat can make the AC work harder and reduce its efficiency. The airflow path should remain clear. Avoid placing large furniture, cupboards, or curtains in front of the AC, as they can block airflow and reduce cooling effectiveness. For the outdoor unit, choose a well-ventilated area with sufficient open space around it. Good airflow helps the compressor release heat efficiently and reduces power consumption. The outdoor unit should also be protected from direct rain and excessive sunlight whenever possible. A proper shade can improve performance without blocking ventilation. Finally, ensure easy access for maintenance and servicing. A well-planned AC installation location can provide faster cooling, lower electricity bills, and a more comfortable indoor environment for years to come. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.